Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Halloween makeup look for y'all. I'm going to be doing a Scarecrow inspired look. So I'm really excited because this is going to be super cute and fun. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to start with the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance as always. I'm just going to put a little bit on my ring finger and apply it all over my lids. Babe, can you not while I'm filming? Thanks. So I want to go for a very orangey, yellowish look for this. So I'm going to start with my Jaclyn Hill palette, which ignore because it is literally so beaten up. It's like shameful. I'm sorry, Jaclyn. But I'm going to be taking this color on the top left right here called Creamsicle. I'm going to start with my Morphe M573 and I'm going to go into that color Creamsicle. And I'm just going to apply this right in my transition area. I apologize for the state of my face. I'm having the worst breakout that I've had in probably like months right now. And I think it's just because I've been eating so much fast food, which I know is super terrible, but I've just been so busy that fast food has been my go-to. But it's okay because my boyfriend and I have made a pact that we're not going to eat fast food until Thanksgiving. So we'll see how long that lasts. Okay, now that I have that shade kind of just blended out all in my transition area, I'm going to go in with, I always forget the Morphe shadows aren't labeled. Anyways, I'm going to go in with this super bright tangerine orange color in the top of my, oh shoot, what is this even called? My Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to actually apply this on my lid. So just taking a little flat brush like this one, I'm going to apply this. I feel like this looks like candy corn right now because it's like dark orange, yellowish orange, and then white. Cute. Again, using my Morphe 35O palette, I'm going to go in with this third color down on the far right side of the palette. And I'm going to dip in my Morphe M330 brush. I'm just going to start applying this to the outer corner of my lid and blending it up into my crease. Beautiful. I feel like this would look really pretty if you added like a glitter on top of it, but I don't have any good like orangey glitters. So I'm just gonna leave it as is because I don't want to ruin the orangey look of this. So next I'm going to go in with just a little bit of highlight. I'm going to use my MAC Soft and Gentle and just a little pencil brush just to make sure that I'm getting a little bit of shimmer with this look. I'm gonna just pop this right underneath my brow bone. Also ignore my brows. It's probably been a month and a half since I've gotten them done because that's just how lazy I am. Then taking another pencil brush, I'm going to go back into this actually no, I'm not, that's a lie. I'm going to use this fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to lightly dust this underneath my eyes. Now taking that pencil brush, I'm going to go in to that tangerine shade that I used all over my lid. And I'm going to lightly tap into that and pop that towards the inner corners of my eyes, following my lash line. Then taking the slightly darker color that I put in my crease, I'm gonna tap into that and I'm going to follow my lash line on the outer half of my eye. Then your eyeshadow is done, so I'm going to pop a little bit of eyeliner in my tight line and my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation and powder and my brows, and then I'm going to circle back around to finish this look up for you guys. Okay, now my foundation, my bronzer, and my brows are done. So next I'm going to go in with a blush, and I want my cheeks to appear really like orangey so that they match my eyes and still give off that kind of Scarecrow vibe. So I'm actually going to go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is really scary because I don't want to mess up my palette. And I'm going to go into Creamsicle, and I'm taking this weird foundation brush because it's the only one that I feel comfortable getting orange all over. And I'm just going to pat into Creamsicle and rub this on my cheeks. I wanted it in a very circular looking area, if you could say that, I guess. I don't know. Just so it's very clown-like, you know, Scarecrow-like. I don't want it to look like super normal. So next I'm going to take that tangerine color that I went in with in the 35O palette. This one right up here that I put on my lid. And I'm going to take the same brush that I used earlier. And I'm going to draw a little kind of oval on my nose. Boom. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to outline this orange oval I've just drawn. And I'm just going to add some stitch marks around it. Perfect. Looking somewhat like a scarecrow now. I'm really sad. I thought I had a black liquid lipstick, but I can't find it anywhere. If you want to find a black liquid lipstick for this look, in Ulta, CVS, Target, the company called NYX, NYX, they have one called Alien, and that one is a pure black liquid lip. Super cheap and easy, good for, like, you know, using on Halloween, and that's it. But I don't have that, which stinks. So instead, I'm just going to have to use an eyeliner all over my lips, which is gonna suck. But you gotta do what you gotta do because it's Halloween. So I'm just going to do my bottom lip. That's kind of imperative with this. Just gonna do the bottom lip. Then I'm going to draw out 2 lines to complete my smile. You can make these as long or as small as you'd like. I thicken those up just a little bit. Then I'm just going to do 2 little crosses on each one to, again, look like stitch marks. Cute! Now, I don't want this upper lip to look chopped and disgusting, so I'm going to add a very, like, neutral color on top of it. I'm just trying to decide which color that is. I'm gonna go for this ColourPop Disney Collection lipstick in the color Ariel, and I'm just going to kind of lightly put that on my lips and then blend it out with my finger so that I'm not getting a super, like, statement lip. I think I'm actually going to add a little bit of clear gloss on top of both of these lips. It feels weird not like blending my lips together, but I'm trying to keep them separate. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add some lashes to this look. Actually, you know what? I need some glitter. I feel like it's not Halloween if there's not some glitter involved. So I'm going to take this NYX glitter liner in the color Crystal Silk. It's kind of a gold color. And I'm just going to pop this right in my crease just to add a little extra something into this look. Yep, that is literally exactly what this needed. While those are drying, I'm just also going to add my lashes to complete this look. Okay, that is the finished look, and I'm really happy with it. I feel like with a cute little flannel, maybe like a straw hat or anything like that, this look would be so perfect for a Halloween party. It didn't take me that long, super easy. If you don't have the best makeup skills, this is totally something you can achieve. I'm really happy with this look. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, please give it a like down below. I'm going to be doing one more Halloween makeup look for y'all, so maybe if you're also an Instagram follower, check my stories because I'll probably be doing a poll to see what I should do next. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and yeah, click subscribe down below if you want to see some more videos from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!